Tutorial 7. In this video we'll look at updating the buttons in your app to give them a more natural flow. We'll begin by opening the business's dashboard. Unlock the dashboard so that we can edit it. Now, from the basic component palette, we'll add a new action button to our footer. Select the button and set the name to Clear Business Fields. Next, we'll set the action type to Clear All Fields. The purpose of the button that we're adding is to clear out the input fields before we start typing. This will make it easier to enter new data. Edit the order of the button if you need to reposition it. Otherwise, save your changes. Now I'll update the label. We'll call this New. To improve the user experience, we will now use conditional formatting to hide the buttons the user does not need to see when they are entering details for a new contact. We will hide the delete and update buttons when the details on the screen are blank. To do this, we can test the value of UID. Remember that the UID field is configured on the edit screen and hidden, but this means we can use the value of UID. We know the UID is always set for every record, so we can test whether this is null or not to work out whether the fields on the edit form are currently populated. Remember that access to the value on the edit form is an expression, so we can use the _form prefix. Select the delete button. In the configuration form that opens, navigate down to Formatting Rules. Click Add to add a new rule. Our rule will be _form.uid == null. If this is true, we will apply the style hidden, which will hide the button. Select the update button and apply the same rule. Now select the Add button. This will have a slightly different rule. Under the formatting rules, add another rule. Our rule this time will be _form.uid =_ null. Therefore, if our UID is not null, then we will hide the Add button. Finally, apply the same rule to the New button that we applied to both delete and update. Switch to App Mode and click the New button. All the fields will now be cleared and we can enter a new business. Stay in App Mode and try out the formatting rules for yourself.